out my bag. Once it is done, that is so unnecessary.
Our team and people first. We will continue to innovate and disrupt ourselves even. But if I'm going to call it too, like new.
A quick pause because I wanted to share something that has been genuinely helping me with all of my assignments lately. I've been using SciSpace for my research and it's honestly become one of the tools that I keep coming back to whenever I'm working on my assignment. Right now, I'm conducting a study on marketing in the luxury market, and the hardest part has definitely been the literature review. Normally, I would be switching between Google Scholars, ChatGPT, and several other hundreds of PDFs trying to figure out which papers are actually relevant. But luckily, SciSpace has made that process so much easier. Its literature review feature goes really deep and finds relevant research paper, connect related studies, and help me understand what has already been published on my topic without me spending hours digging through these endless articles. I can even ask questions about the paper and get key findings explained in a way that I actually can understand. So this is the literature review that it has cooked up for me, and do you even realize how much of time this has saved me? Another feature that I've been using a lot is the paraphraser. It helps me rewrite my sentence more clearly while I am working on my draft, which is super helpful when I'm trying to improve my writing. So that's a win-win. So if you're working on assignments, a thesis, or any research project, I would definitely recommend checking out SciSpace. I have linked it below along with my discount code. Feel free to use this code. Now back to this assignment because this literature review is not going to write on its own.
Hi guys, I am back. I know it's been forever, and the last time you saw me was like 3 weeks ago when I was back in college. Now I am at home. I'm back at home, and so all my classes are done. I have my finals for the last time in a week. So here we are officially done with college. I just have my exams after that, like done. My farewell is done, and my graduation is around November. I don't know. So yeah, so we are done with 3 years of I don't know what. Good experience. Good experience. I would definitely give that. I do have more to talk about it that I'll talk like once everything is like done for real. And I came home and I did absolutely nothing. Like I've been just chilling. I forgot what the day is, what the date is. Like apparently today is 3rd June, and I'll be going back on 13th June. So we have exactly like 10 days and like a lot of papers to prepare for, which I won't be preparing now. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. That's not the point right now. Right now, it's all about enjoying, okay? I mean, I think I've enjoyed enough. now I should just lock in and start studying. I don't know what I'm talking about, but okay. I'll tell you guys how my last week in college went. I was dying. I was done with that shit. I just wanted to run away. Somehow I managed to finish all my assignment on time. I don't know how I managed to get my attendance sorted. I don't know. I just got lucky. I feel like, and my great calculation helped. So that's how. And I really wanted to vlog the last week of college, but I don't think I was in the right mind to vlog it. But I think I will definitely miss. Yeah, anyways, since I'm at home, my room is a mess. When I tell you it's a mess, it's a disaster. Like, if you saw the state of my room right now, you wouldn't talk to me. And I don't sleep here, so that explains why it's like so messy. I just come, I dump my things, and I go. The reason why I don't sleep here anymore is because it's so hot and I don't have AC. And I've been waiting for it to rain. And there's like so many mosquitoes also in this stupid room. I can go on and on and on about this room. But anyways, we have to maintain the zen in order to, you know, live happily. I'm having my coffee and yeah, let's play some music, clean my room first, and then we'll decide what we need to do. Okay? Yeah, but this is how my desk is looking. Ignore the ring light. Then I have this thing I got back from college. Then my nightstand is a mess. Then my bed is a mess. Okay? That side is kind of clean, but everything else is a mess. So we are going to clean this room, and then I'll see you guys. Instead of cleaning, I am still procrastinating, guys. Send help. And it's so hot, even though it rained like few minutes ago. It is still hot. I don't understand why it's so hot. And I'm sweltering already. Like, see, oh my god. I'm sweating. It looks like a glow. I didn't do anything, okay? I just brushed my teeth, washed my face, had my coffee. I just did something for my under eye because it is darker than my life, okay? I don't know how. I think it's the whole thing of being old. You have dark circles. Anyways, gotta clean my room. Bye. See you guys later. Guys, so I did clean my room that day, and it's been I think it's been 2 days since you last saw me, and something horrible happened that day, and I couldn't like film no matter how I tried. But I did get my things done. I did clean. So yeah, now I feel like I woke up and it's raining. It's really good, so cozy. So I decided that I will sit and study, because if I don't start now, then I'm failing. And every sem end exam, I get a new notebook to motivate me to study. So this time I got this one. The last time I had a Hello Kitty one. This time I have like a My Melody one. And let's make notes and let's study, because I really want a coffee, like a cold coffee or a hot coffee, any type of coffee, but I did have black tea. So I don't think that is like necessary to have another drink. But I've been planning to make this ABC juice for my skin. I have never had it before, but I was planning that I do want to make it. So we might make it, I'm not sure, but we have that option if I need a drink, like, but I am really lazy to study. Like, I don't know why, but I'm so lazy to study, and I need like good motivation. I've been watching my own old videos to motivate myself to make videos and study. Like, I cannot believe I am relying on my own video to be motivated. That is funny and ironic. But anyways, let's get back to studying, because if I don't, then we might have a problem. Guys, it's only been 20 minutes and I didn't even do anything. I was just prepping. And I already want to scroll on my phone. Like, this is how much I am addicted to my phone. Prepping everything so that it'll be easy for me to, like, get things just start. But I'm like thinking about my phone all the time. It's when you realize that you need to lock in. If you don't lock in, you're failing. Oh my god, I just realized I only have 4 papers and 3 practical. And I still haven't submitted my project. Our project, the deadline got extended and it's on 13th. Which, by the way, I filmed my short film. Finally, guys, that filming is done. Scripting, filming, everything is done. Now I have to edit, and I'm procrastinating on editing. And editing is the important part, and I'm delaying it so much. Of June, and I have to submit it on 13th of June, and I still haven't started editing my short film.